If you've been following along, I've been opening some of these little SMISKIs. If you haven't seen these before, they're all over TikTok. I do have 2 left, one from the Bath series and one from the Yoga series. Let's open up the Yoga one today. There you go. I don't have any of these, so any of them would be nice. Oh, this is cute. He's doing the... What pose is that? I don't know. I don't know what you call this yoga pose, but I do like it. It's got its feet and its legs up in the air. This is cute. Okay, let's go hide this in the house here. One night, I just want to walk through and see it glowing. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm in the Pez studio here. That's where I was sitting. And I'm going to put the yoga pose one somewhere over here, because I mean, even just like up on the shelf, just chilling up here on the shelf doing some yoga poses while I'm making Pez videos. There you go, little SMIKSI doing yoga on my shelf in the dark. That's really fun.